Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this car tech video. In this video we're going to do a short demonstration of the Autel MD808 Pro kit. We're going to diagnose and hopefully reset the ABS light that you see in this little Peugeot that we're in right now. The tool is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and I'll put a link to this kit in the description below this video. So we have this tool plugged into the diagnostic port of the vehicle, and we're going to go through and select our specific vehicle now, and then hopefully see if we can read the fault codes which are relating to the ABS light. So we need to find Peugeot from the list. Oh, there it is, top right. Start a new session, select our specific vehicle, which is a 206. Let's click on finish. Don't really have to worry about putting the VIN number in. You can select the control unit in which you wish to diagnose. So in this case we're going to find the ABS, which on this kit here is down as active safety. So anti-lock brakes, now I'm not sure which one it is, so I'm going to select the first one first of all. We have previously already come into this vehicle and diagnosed this fault. I can't remember which one I selected, but I'll show you what fault code we were getting in a second if it shows up on this one here. Just taking a minute or so to connect. Right, so that one's not working. It must be this one here, MK70. And those three beeps mean the tool has connected to the system. I'm going to click on read fault codes. So the fault code we've been getting is C1330, right hand front wheel sensor. So we knew there was a faulty right hand front ABS sensor in this vehicle, so we put a new ABS sensor in, but obviously we're still getting the fault code and we're still getting the ABS light on the dashboard here. So to reset these, we need to go down to erase codes, and this is going to tell the ECU that we have actually fixed the fault. So if we click erase codes, do we wish to continue? Click yes. Erasing in progress. Erase codes command sent. Perform read codes function to verify. So I'm going to go back in and click on read codes. System passed, no fault codes detected, but you can see we still have the ABS light on the dashboard. That is because we need to back out of the ABS system on this tool. Once we come out of the ABS system, you'll see the ABS light turn off. So as I start to come out of this, there we go. Keep an eye on the ABS light, it's just turned off there. So that's all thanks to the the Autel MD808 Pro kit. It's a great kit, covers all systems, all vehicles, all manufacturers, and it's well worth investing in if you are working on your own cars or you have a fleet of cars to look after. But I'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video, and it is available at Diagnostic World. That's www.diagnostic-world.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.